No, we do not struggle alone. Sunrise breaking on this Lone Star land, Bible in our hearts, work in our hands. We walk together through the fire and rain, trusting in the Father through the joy and pain. Faithful men standing side by side, leading our children, loving our brides. Through every trial we will remain strong in the Lord, through blessing and strain. When the road is long and hope feels gone, we lift each other and keep moving on. We belong to a tribe, tribal hearts unified, rugged real with God as our guide. Faithful through the fight, for our families, for His name, we will never walk away. We belong to a tribe, and we do not struggle alone.